Hello friends, today's topic is pitot tube. Pitot tube is used to measure the velocity of a flow in a pipe or a channel. In this pitot tube, in this channel, we have used a glass tube which is used to measure the velocity. This pitot tube is based on the principle that the velocity becomes zero in the point the pressure becomes increasing in that point. अगर किसी पॉइंट पर वेलोसिटी जीरो होती है तो उसी पॉइंट पर प्रेशर एनर्जी इंक्रीज होती है ड्यू टू द कन्वर्जन ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी इनटू प्रेशर एनर्जी. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ pitot tube. Pitot tube consists of glass tube which is bent at 90 degree. Okay, and the lower end of the glass tube is connected in the upstream direction, and the direction of flow is this. Okay, now we have to consider 2 points, point 1 and point 2. Point 1 is far away from the pitot tube end and point 2 is at the end of the pitot tube or at the glass tube. In this pitot tube, on applying Bernoulli's equation, we have to determine the velocity at point 1. Okay, so let's see. On applying Bernoulli's equation at point 1 and point 2. So as we know that P1 upon rho g plus V1 square upon 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 upon rho g plus V2 square upon 2g plus Z2. Okay, here P1 is the pressure intensity at point 1, V1 is the velocity at point 1, Z1 is equal to height at point 1. P2 is the pressure intensity at point 2, V2 is velocity at point 2 and Z2 is the height from the datum line at point 2. Okay, now we know that Z1 is equal to Z2 because both the points are on the same line from the datum line or from the reference line. Here V2 is equal to 0 because at that point velocity becomes 0. At point 2 velocity becomes 0. Now P1 upon rho g becomes, that is the pressure head, and pressure head becomes H. This H. This is the depth of the glass tube in the pipeline, H. Now P2 upon rho g is equal to H plus H. This is the pressure head at point 2, H plus H. Okay. Now P1 upon rho g, P2 upon rho g, V2, Z1, Z2. We put all these values in the equation number 1. Okay. Now if we put in the equation number 1, we have H plus V1 square upon 2g is equal to H plus H. Fine. Here cancellation of H. So V1 square upon 2g is equal to H. Therefore V1 square is equal to 2gh. Okay, now V1 is equal to under root 2gh. So this is the velocity of theoretical. This is the theoretical velocity of a flow in a pipe or a channel. But if we consider the actual velocity, then we have to define V1 is equal to, and this is the actual, CV under root 2gh. Okay, so now CV is the coefficient of velocity. So V1 actual is equal to CV under root 2gh. V find the velocity at any point in a flow in the pipeline or a channel by this formula. We find any point, velocity at any point. Okay, V1 actual, CV under root 2GH. Clear?